is traditionally used in wood turning, metal working, metal spinning, thermal spraying, parts reclamation, and glass working. CNC lathes are quickly replacing older production lathes due to their ease of setting, operation, repeatability, and accuracy. CNC lathe work is just one type of CNC machining. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control and refers to a machine operated by a computer system. A CNC lathe is operated with precise design instructions to machine parts to precise specifications. A CNC lathe is a machine tool where the material or part is held in place and rotated by the main spindle as the cutting tool that works on the material is mounted and moved on various axes. CNC lathe can perform additional milling, dealing, and tapping operations, resulting in a complete and even complex part manufacturing process and eliminating the need to transfer the part to another machine for a second operation. Starting the machine. The first step is to turn on the machine. Turn on the main switch of the machine. Turn the switch counterclockwise. Turn on the engine switch. Turn the switch counterclockwise. Turn on the machine controller switch. Press the green on button. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds until the monitor displays the graph. Select position command. Release the emergency switch. Press and turn the switch counterclockwise. Restart the machine controller switch. Press the green on button. Handle mode. The next step is to move all axes of the machine, X-axis and Z-axis, using MPG, Manual Pulse Generator. Select Manual Mode. Select X-axis or Z-axis. Select handle speed, either X1, X10 or X100. Rotate the MPG clockwise or counterclockwise to move the tool turret. Tool point storage. MDI mode. MDI stands for Manual Data Input. The machine can be operated using MDI mode as follows. Changing tool. MDI mode program. Key in tool number T0101. EOB insert cycle start. Moving the spindle. MDI program. Key in spindle speed S1500. M03 EOB insert cycle start. Stop the spindle. MDI program. Key in M05 EOB insert cycle start. Tool turret returns to home position. MDI program. Key in G28 U0 W0 EOB insert cycle start. Entering the cutting program. The next step is to enter the cutting program. Select Edit Mode, Program, Directory. Enter the program number. For example, type the program number 01234. Insert EOB insert. Type the program until it ends. These are the example of the cutting program. After entering the cutting program, simulate the cutting program. Set Select menu Auto Mode, Graphic on Controller, Graphic on Monitor, Operation Execute. If the simulation results meet the requirements, it can be continued for the next step. While if the opposite happens, the program needs to be improved and simulated to meet the requirements of the program. Geometry offset setting. The next step is to determine the position of the origin point, 0, 0, on workpiece. The first step, Z-axis setting. Move the tool eye to the surface of the Z-axis. Select offset setting, offset geometry. Move the offset cursor to the appropriate tool position. Enter the position of the surface Z, key in Z 0.0. Select measure. The second step, X-axis setting. Move the tool eye to the surface of the X-axis. Select offset setting, offset geometry. Move the offset cursor to the appropriate tool position. Enter the position of the surface X. Key in X 50.0. Select measure. The third step, conformation offset setting. Specify the tool to be used. For example, T0101 EOB insert cycle start. MDI program, key in G00 at 60 Z0 EOB insert cycle start. Set feed rate override to 1%. Cutting process. The next step is the cutting process. Select Edit Mode. Select the file to which the cutting process is to be executed. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Select Auto Mode. Cycle Start. Set feed rate override to 100%. Switching off the machine. The next step is the process of turning off the machine after all the cutting work is completed. Press the emergency stop button. Press the red controller off push button. Turn the engine switch clockwise. Turn the main switch of the machine clockwise.